Alright, give me the phone for a second. I'll record. Wait, this is the bathroom. What? Oh. There's a dog. Bathroom.
Store those larger bags.
Over here? I gotta take out my backpack. Oh, okay.
Put it on,
Hey
on
guys.
your seat.
Oh,
Put it on your seat behind, underneath you.
okay. This is my first time ever on the plane, ever. I say hi.
Yeah, made it.
Oh, what? They have a TV. That's so cool. They even have a window seat. Oh, let me. Whoa, this is so cool, guys. Guys, I'm just so excited to see my brother, guys. Make sure just to. You guys have to subscribe because we wasted all of these monies. We wasted all of our money for doing everything for you guys.
Okay, baby. Try to make your...
Let's watch something. Continue. Light snack. Continue, I guess. Skip.
Hey, you want to take your jacket off? I think you're going to get hot.
No, I'm okay. I'll leave it on. They have shows, they have movies, TVs. Damn, they have Sonic 3! That is so cool. That's so cool. They have Mufasa, Moana 2. Oh, I already watched that one actually. These are just so cool.
There we go, guys.
Next stop at Chicago. Guys, we are next stop Chicago.
Pick up your feet.
Hours.
I'm just trying to make it most comfortable.
Oh my. Oh.
I think that's most comfortable. There you go. That's better, huh?
Yeah. Guys, I'm just so excited. This is my first ever time on an airplane, guys. Look at them. Hey, look. It's so fresh outside. You're safe now, buddy. Actually, very cool. Yeah, it's actually very cool. And guys, I'm actually using my headphones. I'm actually using my headphones. Let me see. Oh, that's Rick and Morty. Oh, Rick and Morty. Oh, my God, spaghetti. They actually have this to see.
Oh, here. There you go.
Alright. Got my seatbelt on.
You're going to have to put this... Sorry.
I think I want to watch Mufasa. Favorite. Watch him. This movie's gonna be fun. Wait, is that the guy who does this? Oh, it says a YouTuber. Him again. Oh, yeah, it's that YouTuber. Oh, okay. Oh my God. United. Dad, if you're watching this, I love you. Asha, are you watching Deadpool?
No, Sonic.
Sonic 3? Oh. We are actually watching that. I'm watching Mufasa.
That's good.
Lion King. My mom's favorite.
Maybe don't record the whole thing. Just be like, alright guys, I'm gonna watch this movie.
Alright guys, I'm gonna watch this movie. See you. I say bye.
Bye.
I should say bye. Bye guys.